Alright, YouTube, I am going to be running my Hoover Conquest real quick. Now, this isn't the video I have in mind right now. Basically, what I'm going to be doing when I can get some of this stuff cleared out is I'm going to be doing a Royal 18-inch as well as the Hoover Conquest video. Like, no, it's not really going to be a versus test more than just running them over a pile of dirt. But you'll see it once I get it out. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and run this. I'll probably put some paper down as well. So, hope y'all enjoy it. It's just like a Hoover concept, really, with the motor and everything. And yes, it doesn't really attack other cords. Move this circular saw. I'll just throw it on top of these shoes. I can't run those right now, in case anyone's wondering. None of that'll go into the vacuum. Yeah, I actually like that none of that'll go in the vacuum. Because thankfully with a Conquest, you got a heavy objects clean out compartment. In fact, here. Yeah, they did not go past the fan. Yeah, and for those curious, like this even works for heavy objects that are embedded in the carpet. Yep, and there they are. And it's easy to get them out too. I mean, you do have to scrounge around in there, but yeah, there's the heavy objects we picked up, or I picked up. I know a lot of us probably have Conquests, or a good number of us, but yeah, this is what they're good for. Like, they're good for big time stuff like this. Like, even these paper clips, like, it will not put these past the fan. So I'm going to go ahead and put some paper down. I know my roommate was in here shredding paper. And no, I don't sleep with him. I sleep in the Mount vacuum cleaner room. Yep, here's the paper. I'm going to go ahead and put a good pile of it down there. Yeah, I need a bigger garage, actually. But anyway, yep. This is not the test, like I said. It's gonna be a lot bigger than this. I'm gonna say that right now. Yeah, I love this vacuum. And the main thing I need to do to this or replace on this is the foot pedal. And honestly, I think the roller brush could use a changing because, as we can see, these bristles, they really should be out about that much more from what I understand. And these are not, either that or this is just a different roller brush you could get. I don't know, like, I just think that they should be a bit longer than that. But yeah, I heard something go up in it. Apparently it wasn't anything heavy enough to be dropped down in there. Usually if it's not something that'll drop down into the clean out, it's not going to damage it. But yeah, there's the Hoover Conquest. I hope y'all did enjoy it. So tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. Be sure to subscribe because I do my best to get new videos out every day. And while y'all are waiting on those new videos, y'all can go to my website. It's free to sign up and free to post. Also, once I reach 1,000, I will be making a very special live stream of which this will also be involved. Yeah, I'm going to be running a lot of vacuum cleaners in that live stream. Also, I would like to point out that this is my main work weapon, so that should explain how good it is, because even though it puts me through a lot of Hoover Type A bags, I still love it. It's a big-time deep cleaner. So anyway, until next time, bye.